Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can quickly copy and paste the background of all pages at once with just one click. Please note, this feature is only available on Canva Pro. So if you have Canva Pro, you can use this method. So let's get started. For example, this is your final video, final presentation, or final design. All right. Let's say you want to change the background on all pages with just one click. To do that, you need to go to the grid view. If you want to use the first background on all the other pages, first select the first page, and here you'll find the option to Copy Page Style. Click on it. After that, you need to select all the pages where you want to apply the same background. Once you've done that, just right-click and you'll see the option to Paste Page Style. If you click on it, you will see the background applied to all the pages. Let's double-click and check it. As you can see, all the backgrounds have been changed in just one click. You can do this the same way if you want to change, for example, the second background. You can apply it the same way. Just click on the second page, copy the page style, and then select All and just paste it. You can see that I have changed the second page background to all the pages. So, yeah, in this way, if this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.